little sister. But I'm gonna be getting ready. First, I'm gonna start with this sunscreen. We're gonna have a little beach day, and then afterwards, the grown-ups are going out, and then we're gonna get some pizza, so I'm very excited for that. I've been trying to film this week, but it's really awkward to do that in front of like adults. Like, I don't know, I just feel like I can't do it. Like, it's very embarrassing, but I'm gonna try to work on it. And also, I don't want to be filming constantly because like my family doesn't necessarily like me filming always, which is understandable. Yeah, I'm gonna try to film today. It's just gonna be a fun little beach day, like I said. I'm gonna finish getting ready, so then I'm gonna speed this up. Anyway, but I wanted to show you guys this real quick. Look how freaking pretty. Oh my gosh. The water. Ah. Guys, we just got here. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I got a little Twix ice cream bar. And then we're gonna head down to the beach. And yeah, I don't really know what we're doing right now, but yeah, it's very unaesthetic.